Hello, in today's session we will explain how to create a document using GOTO from one document to another. We have two ways to execute the GOTO. We'll start with the first one. To do that, we'll start by creating a new document. We'll create a data grid and we'll select the data box. Now the data grid will consist of city, 3 amounts, and a date. We'll save and we'll rename it city data grid. Save and close. Now we will create another document, design, new document, chart, continue. We'll select the same data box, continue. Now the chart type, we'll select the pie, and the title we'll call it pie chart. We put the city on color and we put one of the amounts on label. Now we save it as pie chart or city pie chart. Save. Now we use the inspector of city. We go to the menu GOTO. We use the click add. The add menu. We use the inspector of GOTO. Now the type that we will use is a document, the one that we just created. We select we search for city and we select the document city data grid. We go back, we save and close. Now we run the city pie chart. We select, for example, Saida, and here we have this icon that will point out to the document city data grid. We'll click on it and it will display all the data, all the amounts, dates related to the city Saida. So this is the first way to do the GOTO. We close the first document, we close the second document. Now, for the second way to create a GOTO, I already prepared a document that we will be using, document training GOTO. I will edit it. Now, I have a repeater, data repeater. So I need to use the header of the data repeater. Here it should be city. I didn't yet put the variable city, just to show you how to do the GOTO. So I go to basic, drag and drop the link near cell. Okay. Now I double click on cell, remove it. I go to data fields, click on city, field is copied. So I double click on link, I select it and I do Ctrl V. Now I have the city copied. Now I go to actions, manage data instance, manage fields. I have the city. I go to city. I use the generate field filter URL. Control A, Control C. I open a notepad. Control V. Now I need to separate this string into 3 parts. The first one will end by @@. The second one will contain the value, and the last one will be the third part. Now I will continue. I will go to calculated field, will add a new calculated field, will name it as GOTO, will use the expression. Now on the expression I will select the legacy expression editor, and here I will search for concat to do a concatenation. Enter. I have the concatenation. Since I have 3 fields to concatenate, I will add 3 arguments: first, second, and third. Now I will, for the first one, I will add it as constant string. For the last one also will add it as constant string. For the second one, I will use the document, data box, and city display. Now I will go to the last one, to the notepad, the last part, will copy it and will put it in the third string. For the first string, I will go to this one, the first part, will copy it and put it, paste. Now the first part still needs the name of the document that I will be going to, meaning that when I use the GOTO, it should go to a certain document. This certain document, I need to have its name. So for now I will say done. Okay, I will go back, save and close. Now I have the pie chart. I will run it, and here you can see that I have the name of the document. I will copy it, close it, re-edit the document training GOTO. I will go to manage data instance. I will go to calculated fields, the GOTO, the expression, legacy, and now for the first one I will add the name with a question mark and will save it. Now all is done. I will add it to the fields. So now I can see that the GOTO calculated field is added to the fields. I go back to the document. Now for this link I will go to data fields, click on city, field already copied. Okay, now I will double click on link, Ctrl V, and for now I will click on the city, go to settings, and here I need the dynamic name, so I will click on GOTO field copied. I will paste it here. Now I will save the document, save and close, and now I will run the document. So here we can see that the data repeater will display all the cities. Okay, now if I click on CIDA, it will redirect me to the pie chart, filtering on the city. Now, as we know, the pie chart also has the simple GOTO. So if I click on the blue part of the pie chart, I have only side up because it was filtered via the first GOTO. I can go to the data grid. So here we have a two-level of GOTO from one document to another to have more details from the main document to the intermediate document and to the last grid. This will conclude our session for the GOTO for today. Thank you.